What's up, Endspyre fam? How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys having a wonderful and blessed full day. Let me ask you guys a question. Have you guys ever played video games and all of a sudden you can't beat that stage and you die? And what happened? You press retry, right? So you go at it again and you do what you can to defeat that level? Alright guys, today's topic is going to be the reason why you should keep trying. So you made a plan in your life and you happen to fail. So what? Try again. Make another plan. Do something else. As long as you're still breathing in this world, as long as you're still living, you have enough time to make a change. If you made an investment in something and you lost all your money, look, try again, invest in something else. You ain't gotta invest in the same stock, you ain't gotta invest in, the same dream, or you ain't gotta invest in the same products. Try something new, try something different, but remember, try again. You've been setting goals on trying to be fitted, trying to be healthy, and all of a sudden, Thanksgiving came along and you gained like 10, 15 pounds, and now you're discouraged, now you hate yourself. Well look, like I told you, you're still living and you're still breathing. Try again. Who cares if you fail, just keep pursuing your goal and don't quit. As long as you're not quitting, as long as you're working towards something, you're gonna see that change, it's gonna happen. Just don't give up, try again. If somebody cheated on you, broke your heart in a relationship, etc., look, try again. Somebody's gonna be there to mend your broken heart. Somebody's gonna be there to take care of you and treat you the way you want to be treated in a relationship. So don't give up. Always see the bigger picture instead of small picture. Get out that box, No matter what you go through, just remember you can always try again, Things doesn't turn out your way, try again. Try a different method, try a different scheme. Alright, Endspyre family, well, that concludes the video for today. And I wanted to tell you guys that no matter what, you can always try again. So don't feel discouraged, don't feel down, don't feel like you're incapable of something, because you are. Just remember, you're still living in this world, you're still breathing, and you got enough chance to get up and do it again. Do it better. Alright guys, so without further ado, see you guys next time in the next inspirational, motivational video. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the Endspyre team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go.